In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on all websites in Google Chrome in just a few quick steps. If you spend a lot of time browsing during the day or at night, this is a super useful trick because it can make websites easier on your eyes and give Chrome a much cleaner, darker look. Best of all, you don't need any extensions or extra software to get started. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar at the top of the browser. This is where you normally type website addresses, but for this method, you're going to type a special Chrome settings page. Type chrome://flags and then press enter on your keyboard. Chrome will take you to the experiments page, also known as Chrome flags. This page contains hidden features and advanced settings that you can turn on or off. Since we're looking for a dark mode option, go to the search box at the top of the page. Click inside that search box and type dark mode. As you type, Chrome will filter the results so you can find the exact setting much faster. Now look for the option called Auto Dark Mode for web contents. This is the setting that forces websites to display in a dark color scheme, even if the website itself doesn't have an official dark mode built in. Once you find it, click the drop-down menu next to it. By default, it will usually be set to default. Change that setting from default to enabled. After you enable it, Chrome will usually show a relaunch button at the bottom of the page. Click relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the change. Your browser will close and open again automatically, and once it comes back, the new dark mode behavior should be active across many websites. Now, when you browse the web, you should notice that websites appear darker and much more comfortable to view, especially in low-light environments. This can help reduce the brightness of bright white pages and make late-night browsing a lot more pleasant. Keep in mind that because this is a browser flag, some websites may look slightly different depending on how their design is built, but in most cases, it works really well. And that's it. You've now enabled dark mode on websites in Google Chrome using Chrome flags. It only takes a minute, and it's one of the easiest ways to make your browsing experience feel smoother and more comfortable. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials, browser tips, and useful tech tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.